Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where luxury meets lifestyle and dreams come alive. Today, we are taking you on a breathtaking tour of one of the most incredible estates in San Diego, California, a true architectural masterpiece located at 8060 Run of the KNLs. Priced at $12 million, this mansion is not just a home, it's a statement of elegance, comfort, and perfection. As we begin our tour, take a look at this spectacular front exterior view. From the very first glance, you'll be mesmerized by the grand Mediterranean-inspired architecture, beautifully framed by tall palm trees, soft landscaping, and an elegant driveway that welcomes you into pure luxury. The detailing on the facade, the custom stonework, and the warm California sunlight reflecting on the walls create an inviting and royal atmosphere. Now, let's rise up for a drone view, and from above, you can truly appreciate the scale and design of this property. Spread across over 14,600 square feet of living space, this mansion sits like a jewel surrounded by natural beauty. You can see the sparkling blue pool, the lazy river, and the elegant outdoor entertainment areas that make this estate feel like a private resort. As we glide down to the main entrance, double doors open to reveal an interior that defines sophistication. Step inside and you're greeted by soaring ceilings, marble floors, and a grand staircase that makes an unforgettable first impression. Every inch of this home has been crafted with precision and passion. Moving forward, we enter the TV lounge, a spacious living area that blends elegance with comfort. The floor-to-ceiling marble fireplace with a hidden TV is the highlight of this room. Natural light pours through massive glass windows, and every detail, from the furniture to the decor, speaks the language of luxury living. Next, we step into the chef's kitchen, an absolute dream for any culinary enthusiast. It features imported appliances, including a la Cornu range from France, and a massive island perfect for hosting family and friends. The adjoining breakfast area opens into the outdoor patio, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Beside the kitchen, you'll find a formal dining room that feels like a royal feast hall, designed with a glowing chandelier, elegant marble table, and art decor walls. Every dinner here feels special. Let's head to the master bedroom suite, a private retreat designed for pure comfort. The room opens to peaceful views of the pool and garden, while the luxurious master bathroom feels like a five-star spa, featuring a jacuzzi tub, steam shower, and stunning marble finishes. And wait until you see the closet, a walk-in space so massive it could fit an entire boutique. Moving upstairs, there's a recreation room, an office, and even a home theater designed to give you a cinematic experience right at home. Whether it's family movie night or an exclusive screening, this space has it all. One of the most unique features of this property is the indoor gymnasium and car showroom, a 70x47-foot space that combines fitness and luxury lifestyle. Whether you want to train like an athlete or display your exotic car collection, this area is your personal playground. Now step outside to the backyard paradise. This is where the magic truly happens. The massive 126x43-foot pool is surrounded by waterfalls, a lazy river, a swim-up bar, and a covered jacuzzi. It even has a diving platform and a waterslide for endless fun. The outdoor kitchen and lounge area are perfect for parties, barbecues, or relaxing evenings under the stars. Everywhere you look, the lighting, landscaping, and architecture harmonize beautifully, turning this home into a real-life resort. Whether day or night, every angle of this mansion shines with perfection. Before we close this tour, let's not forget the guest house, a detached casita with over 1,600 square feet of living space. Perfect for guests or extended family, it includes a walk-in closet, private bath, and the same level of luxury as the main residence. This is American Dream Mansions, inspiring your dream home one video at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to see more breathtaking luxury estates across the USA. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big and living luxuriously.